कैसे चल आज की सब वीडियो में वापस खेलने जा रहे राइज ऑफ द रोनिन। और लास्ट वाले एपिसोड के अंदर हम लोग आए थे साइतो के पास। और स्टोरी कुछ ऐसे है अभी तक तो कि काप्सुरा ने हम लोगों को इधर भेजा है साइतो के पास ताकि हम एक इन लोगों का भी साइड समझ सके सोगोनेट का, सॉरी प्रो सोगोनेट का। तो वो जो साइड है हम लोग वो समझने आए थे, बट यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम ये हुई है कि हम लोगों को धीरे धीरे सब कुछ पता चल रहा है। सो एक बंदा है ओकिता नाम का, और उसने हम लोगों का जो रमायो है जिस पर अटैक करवा दिया था। और अभी कहते हैं हम लोग साइतो से मिलने जा रहे हैं। और लास्ट वाले एपिसोड के अंदर हम लोग तागामोरी से भी मिले थे, और कात्सुरा और तागामोरी भी अब एक साथ हो चुके हैं। और अगर वो सब आप लोग को देखना है तो लास्ट वाला एपिसोड आराम से देख लो। और अभी चलो जल्दी से हम लोग पहुँच जाते हैं। नहीं, अरे दूर रहो यार, वहाँ पे यहाँ पे पहुँच गए भाई हम डायरेक्टली।
Oh, it's you.
हाँ ओके चलो बात करते हैं।
You came. We'll begin once Ito's men are here. This is your first official mission. Is there anything you need to ask? He should be here any moment. Not as our ally, but as our enemy. Todo and Suzuki are part of Ito's faction. Good men, both of them. But we have no choice. I haven't mentioned this to him. He suspects I've been making moves in secret. There are plots everywhere. Weirs within weirs. I'll tell you everything if we make it through this. Good. That saves me some trouble. Todo and his companions are masters of the sword. This will be quite the fight. Are you fully prepared? Good. We'll ambush them as they return.
सो ये जो अटैक है ये ओकिता पे नहीं है, ये ईटो पे है। ओकिता मेरे से गलती से निकल गया। सो ईटो है जो हमारा मेन वो है इस समय पे। सो चलो हम लोग जल्दी से स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं। ये दोनों मत से कात्सु और हमारे पास साइतो एक बहुत अच्छा स्वॉर्ड्समैन है। और अगर नहीं देखे तो भाई लास्ट वाला एपिसोड में उसने दिखाई थी अपनी एबिलिटीज़ अच्छे से। और एक सेकेंड, ये ठीक है भैया, एक सेकेंड। सब वेपन ओके स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं हम लोग जल्दी से अपना मैच, मतलब सॉरी मिशन।
Raring to go.
चलो
We'll be done in no time.
वो रहे वहाँ वो लोग, मार दो।
The deception has gone both ways. Don't take it
Okay.
personally, Todo.
एक मिनट जाओ। एकदम मारूंगा ये। Let's go. खत्म। लेट्स गो। लेट्स गो।
Master Kondo thinks
एक
only
सेकंड।
of winning glory in battle. And they don't. We can strive for a world free of conflict and bloodshed.
अच्छा ये तोड़ो ही है क्या?
Overdoing it.
लेट्स गो।
No
खत्म।
use.
ईटो को
Ito
ढूंढो बंदे
isn't
जल्दी।
here.
पहले तो हम लोग ये चेंज करेंगे। अब एक अच्छी सी हमें ये मिली राइफल, मस्त पिस्टल। एक बार ये ठीक है, और ये ठीक है, ये भी ठीक है। चल
No, we must find him. Suzuki is here too. He'll fight like a madman to protect me. Rather than face him alone.
अरे यार मेरी हेल्थ बहुत कम हो गई।
All you've done. You never into my brother.
लेट्स गो। लेट्स गो। खत्म।
Sorry for the trouble.
लेट्स गो।
My brother will lead Japan to a brighter future. No one must get in his way.
अरे यार वहां पे लगाना, क्या पागलपन है। खत्म। लेट्स गो।
I have failed you, brother.
सब लोग एकदम रेडी हो जाओ भाई। गेट खोलते हैं, उससे पहले हम लोग सब वेपन 6 हैं हमारे पास। लेट्स गो। नहीं है भाई, 6 गोलियां नहीं है। एमो हमारी सारी खत्म हो चुकी है। लेट्स गो।
Nicely done.
You're dead.
लेट्स गो।
Heal yourself!
लेट्स गो। गया नहीं। चलो पहुंच जाते हैं। अब शायद हमारी मेन फाइट होने वाली है।
Think you outwitted me, do you?
ये राइट।
It's you who has been cornered.
पहले इससे नहीं बच्चे बच्चे से मार दो।
Captain Condor, I will mete out your punishment.
I had thought you had some sense. I was wrong.
लेट्स गो।
You're just another samurai who can't let go of the past.
लेट्स गो।
Condor fights without a higher purpose. He only plays at being a samurai. Why can't you see it for the farce he is?
लेट्स गो।
I don't do this. Who will?
लेट्स गो एंड चलो
Misguided force.
लेट्स गो। ये तो मार दिया हम लोगों ने।
You were too clever for your own good. It made you think all those around you were fools. Which is why you couldn't bear to serve under Kondo, so earnestly devoted to the shogunate. I'm lucky I had you covering my flank. With that, we've excised a cancer from the Shinsengumi. I don't know who you are, but it's time to stop pretending you're one of us. Who knows? As long as you can stay out of Condor's bad books, we won't come rushing to cut you down. Life is what you make it. See you around.
फिर हम लोगों ने एक और मिशन कर दिया है ख़त्म। और अभी हम लोगों को जाना है काचुरा के पास। एक सेकंड रुक जाओ। अभी मुझे यहाँ जाना है तो लाइक यहाँ पे फास्ट ट्रेवल है। फास्ट ट्रेवल यहीं कहीं होना चाहिए। हाँ ये रहा। कर देते हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे अपना फास्ट ट्रेवल। हाँ ये रहे, अंदर ही तो हैं। एकदम परफेक्ट जगह पहुंच गए हम लोग। और चलो जल्दी से कात्सुरा से बात करते हैं।
Fine work. I knew you'd make it back unscathed. Getting right to it, who masterminded the attack on Roma at the Terada Inn? The Aburano Kochi incident. You were at the scene too, I take it? Word reached me Ito was planning to go rogue from the Shinsengumi. Attacking Roma must have been part of the plan. Clever stuff. Tarnishing the group's reputation to create a pretext justifying an independent split. Now I have the full picture of the Shinsengumi. All thanks to you, of course. We'll need to inform Saigo as well.
Oh, look who's back. Perfect timing, actually. This soldier could really help us achieve our goals. We're at something of an impasse. Can we bring him into the fold on this?
The day of reckoning is at hand. We joined forces with the Satsuma clan, but barely escaped with our lives. How long can this alliance last? I fear it is built on sand.
If we want to avenge Kusaka's death, we must act now.
Genzui is dead, Shinsaku sick, and the Ryoma missing. Frankly, we need all the help we can get. I'm going to need you on our side.
Actually, that may not be necessary.
Ryoma आ चुका है, let's go यार,
Look who it is!
let's
I
go.
figured you were dead. Or did you strike a deal with the Lord of Death?
I'm more surprised to see you still alive. I thought you'd be passing me on the way to hell. Sorry for all the worry I caused. But fear not, Oryo has fixed me up. Now, without further ado, I've got a solution to your problems. With my plan, we won't even need to fight.
Really? Look, it's not that I don't trust you.
Let's just say that staring death in the face can be inspirational. There's no time to waste. We have to show this to Lord Yoshinobu.
I intend to return this nation to a better era, but certain people will need to be removed. Yoshinobu Tokugawa, the last shogun. A fine title for a history book, wouldn't you say?
अभी हम लोग तो इसी बंदी के पास जा रहे थे, यूएसए बोल रहा है, बट अभी हम लोगों ने जैसे देखा ब्रिटिशर्स तो उसके पास पहले ही पहुंच चुके हैं। ये कुछ तो गड़बड़ है।
Right, let's go.
जल्दी चलते हैं भाई।
I must say, I'm glad for the opportunity to walk at your side again, my friend. Come, let's head to Nijou Castle. If we can get my proposals enacted, there'll be no more warring factions. Just think, everyone would work hand in hand for the good of the nation. Shogunate or no, we all share the desire to make Japan a better place. And that's why we've got to set aside our differences and end the bloodshed. Now, I agonized over it a while, but seeing as there are 8 proposals, and they were conceived aboard a ship,
पहुंच गए हम
I'll
लोग।
call them the 8
जल्दी करते हैं,
shipboard
बात करते हैं।
proposals.
ओके, अब इससे बात करनी पड़ी, बात कर लेते, चलो।
There are no gods. Something feels off. Let's be prepared for anything once we're inside. Are you ready? Okay, let's do it.
ओके, अभी हम लोगों के पास एक और मिशन है और बाकी सब एकदम ठीक है ना। सो चलते चले हम लोग, कर देते हम लोग अपना मिशन स्टार्ट।
I'm ready for action.
पर एक सेकंड रुकना, मैंने भी आर्मर के अंदर एक चीज नोटिस करी। ये ले पहले तो इसके अंदर हमारा क्लियर हेडेड समरा, इसके अंदर फास्ट स्विम है, एलआई रिकवरी है, उसके ये वाला लूंगा ना मैं तो। फिर तो
Let's
वाला
begin then.
What in the world? The Shogun.
रुक जाओ, ये लेंगे हम लोग।
May be in danger. Hurry!
ये लोग भी तो पागल ही है, मतलब लाइक सीधे लड़ने पहुंच जाते हैं। रुको जाओ ना।
Seems we've been beaten here. By a foreigner, no less.
The floor. It chirps like a nightingale.
खाता 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 जो सही लेवल का हम खेल रहे हैं ना इस जगह पे, तो चलना बच्चे। एक सेकंड, अब मैं यहाँ पे अपना ये चेंज करूँगा। लेट्स गो।
I can see you're a natural.
ओके लेट्स खत्म। इधर से इधर, अच्छा इधर। Let's go.
Here they come! Ready and willing!
ओके ये पहुंच गए। अब हम लोग लेंगे यहाँ पे ये चल। अब होगा हमारी मेन बॉस फाइट।
So, some rats have snuck in. No matter. I'll deal with you alongside the Shogun.
Have come at a better time. I need your help.
Damn you.
Going in. Yes, Your Excellency. Hold must wait. Help me, my friend.
अरे ये बड़ा बेगा। बहुत फास्ट है ये हमारे लाइफ में। मेरा ही प्लेयर इसे मार सकता है मेन।
This country no longer needs a Shogun. Serve its best by disappearing.
अरे भाई खत्म।
Left to its own devices, Japan will inevitably be lost. What I do to protect it.
It's not yours to protect. That's my duty. And I won't let you do as you please.
You do not understand this country's true worth.
Let's go. Let's go. खत्म।
Assassinating the Shogun? Why, you little...
Let me go! Surely you must see how wrong this all is. The Shogunate is merely an army and it controls the government. This nation must be restored to its rightful state. And who better to guide it than me? One who truly understands Japan!
So, that's what you're after. Throw him in the cells. We can't afford to antagonize Britain right now.
You will be prey to the great powers! The sacred soul of this land will be lost, I tell you!
What an odd fellow.
No. I fear he's hit the nail on the head. Sometimes others see us more clearly than we see ourselves.
You believe that drivel?
Would you please take the time to look this over? I really think this might be the answer. At least, that's what I hope.
The Shogun adopts Ryoma's plan before the Satsuma and Choshu can strike, ending 3 centuries of Tokugawa rule. In the imperial court, former ministers and the most powerful clans gather to decide on the form of their new government.
is you're doing? You formally relinquish power only to launch an offensive?
That is nonsense. Someone is clearly trying to frame me, to drive a wedge between me and the new administration.
I will not ignore this calumny! You believe us to be behind this?
I beg your pardon. My lord, you are not safe here. We must get away and fast.
So you feel no need to flee, I take it? It seems they're not going to change their minds.
Ryoma, answer me this. If the Shogun remains in the administration, how can that be a fresh start for our nation?
The Tokugawa will contrive to take control again. Then they will surely crush us.
The time has come to settle things with firearms.
Curse them. Who cares who comes out on top? The main thing is to find a solution that works for us all.
Well, come on then. Do you have a plan?
Well, you know, how can I put it?
I thought as much. Listen, let's think of something together. We've come this far, after all.
Thank you. That would be very welcome. At this rate, there'll be no winners at all.
कि बॉन्ड का लेवल लिमिट हो चुका है और कात्सुरा से हम लोग जल्दी से बात कर लेते हैं। हमारे पास अभी टाइम बचा है तो हम लोग जल्दी से एक और मिशन कर ही लेते हैं इसी चलते हुए।
I need your help with something. I seem to have angered Ryoma. He's living in a dream world if he thinks the Alliance would ever allow Lord Yoshinobu into the new administration. Well, it all comes down to your perspective on the matter. In all truth, neither choices were wrong, which is why I'm in this bind. Whatever the case, Roma has been indispensable in getting us this far. This isn't the time for infighting. I'll continue to coordinate with the Satsuma, so I'd like you to keep an eye out on Ryoma. I ran into Oryo near the Omi Inn just now, and told her much the same as you. Please, I need you and Oryo to talk Ryoma around for me. All right?
Okay. So
You look weird.
हाँ चलो आ जाओ।
Oh, hello there. Let me guess. You are going to see Ryoma? When I left Ryoma at Omi Inn, I told him not to do anything rash, but he said he was about to hatch a hell of a plan, but who knows what he's up to? Agreed. It's not as if he would listen to us anyway. I'll just have to keep an eye on him. Ah, I know. What do you say we bring him something? What would he like? Care to help me look? Let's get going then. What is it he likes to eat again? Let's get going now that we have our little gift. Ryoma should still be at the Omi Inn. Did that come from the Omi Inn? I'll go find help. You get to Ryoma.
ओके सो घर पे अटैक हो चुका है, हम लोग जल्दी से चलते हैं, घर पे अटैक हो गया। रुक जाओ, एकदम सही वाली बंदूक है हमारे पास इस समय पे, बट इससे भी शायद कुछ अच्छी नहीं मिली है। चलो Let's go. खत्म।
Get out of here! These troublemakers will have to answer to me! Help me!
You're here. Asked us to come.
Even if it means being indebted to the British, we have no choice but to do this.
What's your plan?
ये अंदर किससे लड़ रहा है, पागल है क्या ये? अबे भाई काचू तो अलग ही गंवार आदमी है, किससे लड़ रहा है पता नहीं। तो भाई हट जाना। Let's go. इतने लोग एक जगह जब भर जाते हैं ना भाई, गुस्सा आता है। अबे क्या है भाई? Let's go. And
I'll hold them off here.
चलो अच्छा यहाँ है क्या एक सेकंड रुक जाना
Looking for something?
Okay.
You still need to clean up this country. You need to live.
He was a bad influence on you, but I've taken care of that. No, I won't give up! Enough of this! But I'll always be your twin! I did it for you. Cut that man down. Open your eyes. You still refuse to see that he means so much to you? You can't stop the war. No one can. This nation will descend into chaos. And why would you want to? This is the world we longed for. It's here at last.
Ryoma! Shintaro has been wounded. He needs a doctor. I've finally seen it. The new shape this country must take.
मर गया भाई.
Don't try to speak.
भाई भाई.
We must gather everyone with the military, regardless of social status. Farmers, craftsmen, Decisions should be made by a parliament. A forum where we can exchange ideas. A new dawn is breaking. I see it so clearly. I leave the rest to you. You are my true partner.
भाई यार रोमा जैसा सही बंदा कोई नहीं था। ये और मर गया भाई अब।
There is no need for an epic battle. We merely need to show them the difference in our strength.
Indeed. Our men vastly outnumber their own. Once the fighting starts, they will surely see the error of their ways.
Indeed, I am eager to discuss peace terms. If this drags on, we risk falling prey to foreign powers.
I secured your release. You might show some gratitude. Thanks to you, the negotiations have soured considerably.
Now, about those weapons you have for sale. We'll take all you have.
भाई अब मेरे ख्याल से होने वाली है मेन वॉर होगी भाई मेरे ख्याल से, क्योंकि अब रोमायो मर चुका है। सो ये सबसे गलत बात हो गई। और पहला एपिसोड मैं यहीं पे एंड करता हूँ। और मज़ा आया तो भाई लाइक सब्सक्राइब और कमेंट करना बिल्कुल भी मत भूलना। इसी तरीके से मैं एपिसोड बनाता रहूँगा और मिलता हूँ तो मुझसे किसी अगले एपिसोड के अंदर। चलें बाय बाय, बी सेफ एंड बाय बाय।